Yo, what up? It's In the Streets with Quis. We in the streets of Cuba right now. Last night was crazy lit. Let me show y'all.
You are watching a master at work.
So last night was crazy. We didn't get into about 5 a.m., so we all didn't wake up the next day till about noon. But once we got the crew assembled, it was time to hit the streets and see what was popping.
Welcome to Cuba, make a good tour. Good luck.
Hey, what's your name, senor? Okay.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wanna mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna.
So after the car tour was over, it was time to hit the streets. We stumbled upon like an open market where food was for sale. It was a bunch of chicks around. They even had fake Jordans for sale.
Later.
So after a brief intermission, aka your boy Quis had to get a nap, we had been walking around and I wanted to be fully charged up for tonight's festivities. So after we made it to the Molly Con, we decided to take a taxi to this club, 2.45. but sadly it wasn't even open yet. Then I decided to try to walk to another club because I thought it was close. Man, the GPS was all wrong. It ended up being like 4 or 5 miles away. All right, y'all, so we currently lost right now. Somewhere on the back streets of Cuba. This is Rod 2 Trips dumbass idea. What y'all thinking right now? So even though this was a long walk, it did give us an opportunity to see different sides of Cuba, not just the colorful buildings, but also some of the desperation. We almost there, y'all. Even worse, when we got to the other club, it was closed too. So we had to take some raggedy taxi bus back with mismatched seats. And you could tell from here, it was gonna be a lonely night. Well,
next morning.
So the next morning I linked up with my no box getting friends because I knew Nick had to fly out. All right, Nick. You to the next trip.
Yes, sir. Olive Fire. Nice to meet you.
We hopped in a taxi and headed to the beach. It was about 30 minutes away. Now, I would recommend bringing something with you because it was a few chicks on the beach, but I much rather would have brought my own. Now, the beach was solid, but it was definitely time to hang out. We discovered a little restaurant called Mojito. The food was pretty good, and they had cheap drinks. Plaza Villa? Okay, well, text me later. I'll see you later.
2 hours later.
So this was our last night, and we knew we had to go out with a bang. We ended up linking up with one of my boys, Travel Lover, hung out, and then we hit the club. That's a nice car. Rob, we didn't even leave yet. We are headed to the club. Wake up, look alive.
Calentura pura, chula. Te prende el fueguito, el disco en la tula. Le explote la pista, nunca te quita. Tú me castigas. Party, después pa'l after party. Nuestros labios Bacardi te vuelve super natty, ey. Baby, vamos pa'l party, guayando todo el tiempo. A rindar todo el cuerpo, un piquetazo lento.
Dale más, pica. Dale más, pica.
Raw like tartar, saucy drizzled up passata. I can be your coach like Carter. If you got the fee, we can barter. I got the pack that you need for a starter. Rebel, not a martyr. Truth is, nah, they can't to be like me. It's Jan set, baby, know what I mean. Little spice in the scene.